This 2008 Coachmen Prism M220 is a Class C RV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio, 44720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used coachman is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2008 Coachmen Prism M220 is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.